Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to announce caller name in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to announce caller name in your iPhone, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software. So open your general, go to software update and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to simply go back and here just select the apps section. Select apps and here just select scroll down and look for the option of phone. Here you will get the phone app. Just select phone app, and here you just have to select announce calls. So here you'll get four options. The first one is always, the second is headphones at car, the third is only headphones, or the fourth is never. You just have to select always from here, and once you have selected always, your phone will automatically announce always caller name. So whenever you will receive a call, your caller name will be announced by your phone. So in this way, you can easily announce your caller name in iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.